Intermediate level. The concept of neuroplasticity and adult learning. For decades, the prevailing scientific belief was that the human brain was hardwired after childhood, meaning that its structure became fixed and unchangeable as we reached maturity. However, recent breakthroughs in neuroscience have debunked this myth, introducing the revolutionary concept of neuroplasticity is the brain's remarkable ability to recognize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. This means that our brain remains dynamic and adaptable, capable of learning new languages, mastering complex instruments, or recovering from traumatic injuries well into old age. Understanding neuroplasticity is incredibly empowering for adult learners. It suggests that cognitive decline is not an inevitable consequence of aging, but rather a reflection of how much we challenge our minds. To stimulate plastic change, one must engage in activities that are not only new but also increasingly. To stimulate plastic change, one must engage in activities that are not only new but also increasingly difficult. This cognitive effort strengthens the synapses and increases the density of gray matter. Furthermore, lifestyle factors such as regular physical exercise and adequate sleep play a crucial role in supporting the biochemical environment necessary for these changes. By embracing a growth mindset and consistently stepping out of our comfort zones, we can literally reshape our brains for the better.